Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Fiverr Workspace app review to see if it's worth using. So let's dive into it. So Fiverr Workspace is a business management app designed for freelancers and small business. It offers tools like invoicing, contact proposal, time tracking, and expense management all in one place. The app also integrates with payment platform, provides automated reminder, and allows users to manage both Fiverr and non-Fiverr projects through a simple, easy-to-use interface on both mobile and desktop. However, some users find the customization option for invoicing and proposal limited, and there are occasional complaints about unreliable payment integration or syncing issues on the mobile app. Customer support response times have also been criticized, and in conclusion, the app is still worth using, at least if you are a freelancer looking for all-in-one management tools to save times and stay organized, but not ideal if you need advanced customization or flawless payment reliability. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.